I'm gonna try out this new marbling paint from Folk Art. This is try number 2. This time we shook them all, and I'm just gonna pour some on, and then I'm gonna use my Princeton Catalyst spatula, and I'm gonna make swirls and see if it marbles. So here we go. What do you think?
It's yellow.
There's no Floetrol in this. There's no nothing in this. Okay, wish me luck. Like that, right?
Yes.
Or should I do it with this?
Whatever you want to do.
Okay, now I'm supposed to swirl. I think I need to use my Princeton Catalyst.
Are you getting the other side?
I don't know.
Don't mush it. Use that point.
I don't know. Doesn't look marbled to me. Does it look marbled to you?
It does. It does, but you want to mix some colors.
Yeah, see, there's...
You gotta figure what you can do with the side. Leave them white.
Yeah, I could do that, right?
You can't, sorry, I haven't done the side. Okay, you probably need probably 3 times more amount.
Should I go like that, you think?
You're not gonna move that paint. You're gonna need at least 3 times more than that paint on there to move it.
Sure.
Yeah. How you gonna move it? It's not gonna run.
It's running.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let it run down the sides and just streak. You don't have to cover it all. Kinda looks cool, just run it down with streaks down the side. I should know where to get the camera.
Sorry. I'm gonna get rid of like that brown mixture that kind of went.
Is that white paint in the middle, or is that just a white spot on the
That's white paint.
Oh, that is white paint.
Yeah. I'll use the heat gun when I have it.
Yeah, cool looking sponsor drops. Look like little British flags.
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you were talking about?
Yeah, down there in the paper here.
Yeah.
Looks like a dove you got flying in the middle. Well, it did look like a dove. I wonder what happens if you just dump one color into a regular, when you're using regular other paint, you just dump one color into it. What it would do.
I don't know. I need it to go over here. Oh, it's going. I'm probably not nowhere in the.
There,
Yeah, mine.
there you are. Well, it is marble, just like it shows.
But I need a little bit more there. Should I just pour a color there, you think?
Yeah, what's the difference? You might as well, if you had a paintbrush, you could just paint the sides. Doesn't matter if the sides are marble as long as the top is marble.
Yeah, but see right here, it's
I
still
know,
kind of
I
the
know what
top.
you're saying. Well, let's pour some of that red or blue, whichever is close to it over there. Maybe that would help.
I wasn't even looking. I don't know what the hell I was doing. God, my mind is elsewhere. Shit. It comes out so fast.
You're better off doing this. So that's next time, see?
Yeah. Well,
A red finger.
oh, it's in there. Think I should spread the colors that are
Yeah, I just spread it like a smooth color. Just leave the top matte.
What do you mean spread it like a smooth?
Just take your thing and swipe it all the way right down there.
Yeah, but won't it mix? And
Yeah, it's gonna mix. It's just gonna be a color. It's not gonna be. It's gonna be some color, but don't touch the top. This way. Go like that. Put it to you. There you go. Nice and easy. Right across. This should make the canvas other than white. Look, oh yeah, it's cool. Dip it into that red down there or something, get a little extra in it. You could have done that in a 4 or 5 part pour. You could have stood it on the edge and poured one of the sides and let it dry. Then rotate it to the next side and pour that and let it dry. And then do the top at the end.
Yeah.
That's the only way I could figure you would get it so it, or else you just gotta pour a whole bunch more on top and let it run down.
Yeah, I gotta get that.
Gotta get what?
I gotta get over here, like there. Didn't run down there.
Looks kind of interesting.
Hmm?
It looks kind of interesting.
See, I just need some there on all the corners. Damn it. Corners are a killer.
Let's see. Try to get these plastic things off there.
Yeah, actually the sides look interesting. Yeah, I could have worried about the corners and stuff later, actually. You know?
Hmm?
I could have worried about the sides later, actually.
Ouch. Gonna pour paint in those along that edge.
Yeah, what do you think? Red or what color? Or yellow maybe? Something different? There's not much yellow over
We could
there.
try a little yellow there. Just tip it a little bit. Don't squeeze. That's it. You don't have to squeeze. It's gonna come.
I'm not squeezing.
And don't get the black and the pink. There you go. Just put it right on top of the blue and it'll mix. There you go. Yeah, that's